The 2026 Mecum Kissimmee auction is gearing up to showcase some of the most iconic classic cars ever produced. And among the high-profile muscle cars and collectibles, one 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta is capturing serious attention. While the Fiesta name is usually associated with Oldsmobile's '88-based station wagons, the 1953 Fiesta Convertible was a special edition model built on the longer '98 platform. It was part of a trio of luxurious drop-tops designed to highlight GM's design leadership, alongside the Cadillac Series 62 Eldorado and Buick Roadmaster Skylark. Among these three, the Fiesta remains the rarest and most collectible, making this upcoming auction a must-watch for enthusiasts. The 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta was notable for several unique features that set it apart from the standard '98 convertible. Its lowered beltline and wraparound windshield created a sleeker profile, while the distinctive spinner hubcaps completed the upscale look. Unlike the other models, the Fiesta was equipped with every available option from Oldsmobile as standard, excluding air conditioning, demonstrating its premium positioning. Under the hood, it housed a 303 cubic inch rocket V8 with a slightly higher compression ratio than the standard '98, boosting output from 165 to 170 horsepower. Power was delivered to the rear wheels through a smooth, 4-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, providing a perfect balance of performance and comfort for the era. Production of the Fiesta was extremely limited. Priced at $5,715 in 1953, nearly double the cost of a standard '98 convertible, only 458 units were sold. This rarity adds significant collectible value, and among them, the black Fiesta scheduled for the 2026 auction is entirely unique. The car has undergone a meticulous frame-off restoration, preserving its factory-correct specifications and earning numerous awards for authenticity. Its black exterior paired with a black and ivory interior distinguishes it as the only known black example, elevating its status among classic Oldsmobiles. Historically, Fiesta convertibles have commanded impressive prices at auction. While standard '98 convertibles rarely surpass $40,000, Fiesta models have consistently reached six figures. Approximately 20 examples have exceeded $100,000 in recent years, with 4 selling for more than $200,000. Notably, this black Fiesta previously sold for $209,000 in 2015, and while that record has been surpassed by an ivory red model at $247,500, the upcoming sale could position this unique example as the most expensive Fiesta ever. Experts suggest that achieving over $253,000 would not only set a record for the Fiesta, but potentially for any 1953 '98 convertible, underscoring the rarity and desirability of the car. The combination of historical significance, factory-correct restoration, and one-of-a-kind color makes this black 1953 Oldsmobile Fiesta a standout piece in the 2026 Kissimmee auction. Its exclusivity, heritage, and elegant design embody the golden era of automotive craftsmanship. Collectors and enthusiasts will be eagerly watching as the gavel falls, potentially securing this exceptional convertible as a new benchmark in classic Oldsmobile auctions. The 1953 Fiesta remains a symbol of mid-century luxury and innovation, and this unique black example ensures it will remain a centerpiece of automotive history for years to come.